Hello guys, welcome back. The Hotel Collection Tower scent diffuser is built for larger spaces, which means the setup plays a huge role in how effectively it fills the room with fragrance. Unlike smaller units, this model is designed to distribute scent more widely, so placement, bottle installation, and settings all need to be done correctly from the start. If anything is slightly off, like the bottle not being secured or the airflow being blocked, you may notice uneven scent or weak output. Many users assume the diffuser isn't strong enough when it's actually just not configured properly. Once everything is set up the right way, the tower diffuser creates a consistent, hotel-like atmosphere throughout the space. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your Hotel Collection Tower scent diffuser step by step to try these. Step 1. Position the diffuser upright in an open area and connect it to power. Step 2. Open the front panel to access the fragrance slot. Step 3. Insert the scent bottle firmly into the internal holder. Step 4. Close the panel securely to lock the bottle in place. Step 5. Turn on the unit and adjust the scent intensity settings. Step 6. Allow it to run and confirm the fragrance spreads evenly.